back to my channel. I hope you all are having a fabulous February. I have a Valentine's Day DIY for you guys. I, again, like last year, had a tree portion and a gift portion. The gift portion really isn't quite a gift portion this year, but if you want a gift idea, I'll link the Valentine's Day video I made last year down below. This year it's more of decoration that you can put up around your house to make it a little bit more festive for Valentine's Day, yet keeping in tune with the spooky gothiness that I certainly like. So I hope you guys like the decor part of this video, and then the treat portion of this video is some delicious funfetti sugar cookie goodness. I'll put a picture here so you guys can see what it looks like. It's kind of hard to hold up to show you guys, so here's the picture. The middle is a adorable funfetti heart, because who doesn't like funfetti cake? And then on the outside are sugar cookie bat wings. So you guys can have fun decorating these cookie cake treats however you would like. That's what I really like about these treats, and it's just up to you and how you want to decorate them. So it just makes it a lot more fun and exciting. So if either Valentine's Day gift or treat option sounds fun and exciting to you, then please keep on watching.
For the treat portion of this video, you're going to need some funfetti cake or your choice of cake, some sugar cookie mix, and you're going to want to grab some various toppings like some of your favorite frosting, some fabulous Valentine sprinkles, various little cake tube things that you can decorate. So I got black, red, and just a variety mix, as well as a heart-shaped cake pan. Very important. So to save on time, I've already made my funfetti cake. Just follow the back for the directions. Not too difficult. And I put that funfetti cake in those heart-shaped molds, and here's how they turned out. Super adorable, I must say. Now on to the sugar cookies. So I just followed the directions once again that come on the back of the package. Not too difficult. And before I pop it in the oven, I wanted to cut out some bat wings with you guys. You're gonna need something sharp, like a butter knife or I'm using a paring knife, and then you're gonna want to grab one of your little hearts, so that way you can use it as a reference to determine how big your bat wing should be. So here I'm just trying to cut out a bat wing just to see how difficult it is. It's honestly not too difficult. The hardest part's probably making the bat wings symmetrical, as well as remembering that you have to over-exaggerate the bat's wing features. Otherwise, when you pop it in the oven, it's going to puff up, and then you're not going to see the bat wing features anymore. So just take that into consideration when you're carving out your little bat wings. I honestly didn't really know what bat wing shape would work the best, so I kind of tried a couple of different shapes just to see which ones would come out the best in the oven, and I would have to say that the top ones actually come out the best, so you'll see that here in a second once they magically come back cooked and ready to go. So the top ones I think turned out the most bat-like, but I think you can get the gist of the bat wing shape with all of them, and you can always define it more with your frosting later on. Anyway, continuing on, you're going to want to grab one of your little heart shapes, and you're going to use that whipped cream cheese frosting, whatever frosting you've chosen, to glue the little bat heart head onto its wings. You don't have to do this, you could just leave the wings separated from the body, but really it's whatever you prefer. So now I'm grabbing some black frosting and I'm squeezing that out all on the top of that heart and smoothing it out with a butter knife. Then I'm going to go in with this sparkly gel red frosting that I got from Target. It is fabulous, by the way. I would recommend buying it for sure. I'm just going to go around to emphasize the heart shape and to clean up any of my messy black lines. And then I'm going to grab these golden heart-shaped sprinkles for the eye, so it looks like it's very love-stricken. Super cute. And then I'm using the red ones, the red heart-shaped sprinkles, to make his little ears. And I'm going to go in with this blue frosting to create his little mouth. And the face is pretty much done. I think he looks pretty stinking cute. So now I'm going to do the same thing with the bat wing. So I'm going to go in with the black, smooth it out with my butter knife. Going to go in with the red gel frosting, going around like I did before to clean up any of my messes. Going in to pull the blue together. I'm going to add little details on the bat wings like so. And then doing that on the other bat wing. So bam! First bat done. I think he turned out super cute. He kind of has like a Spider-Man vibe going on, but you know what? He's cute, he's love-stricken, so he's Valentine's Day to me. And here is a second one I made. This one I didn't attach the head to the wing, just to show you guys what it looked like in case you wanted to see. And I really love this one as well. So here you can see instead I drew on the ears instead of using the hearts for the ears. I drew on the face instead of using the hearts for the eyes, etc, etc. I'm sure you guys could probably spot the differences between the two, but I thought it'd be a good idea to show you two very contrasting bats. And I only made two, as you can see here, because I decided to save the rest of my hearts and bat wings for my friends and family so we all could decorate them together. Now, moving on to the gift portion of this video. I don't know what to call it, but you're gonna need some skeleton hands. You'll need 6 in total. You will also need your choice of lace, ribbon, or yarn, whatever you want to use. You'll need some scissors, you'll need a hot glue gun, and that's all you're gonna need for this very simple DIY. Your first step is to grab 2 of your skeleton hands and create a heart shape with them, as you can see here. I'm just fiddling right now, getting the heart shape how I like it, and then once I'm satisfied and remember where it went, I'm gonna hot glue it down to the other skeleton hand, like so. I think it looks like a heart. I don't know, maybe I'm abstract like that, but that was the vibe I'm going for, and that one will be in the middle, and the other 4 ones will just be hanging singularly by themselves. So now I'm just trying to figure out what lace or ribbon to use where. So I've decided I'm going to be using the red ribbon for the part where I'm going to hang the skeleton hands off of, and then I'm going to use the black and pink ribbon to hang the skeleton hands on. Did I explain that okay? I don't know, but hopefully you can tell what I'm doing by watching and not listening to me. Anyways, to break it down for you, you're going to need 4 ribbons that are the same length. 2 of those will be the black ribbon, and then the other 2 will be of the pink ribbon, and then you're going to want to cut 1 extra long pink ribbon, and that'll be specifically for the skeleton heart-shaped hands. To attach the ribbon onto the singular hanging hands, it's pretty easy. You're just going to want to grab a hot glue gun, hot glue it onto the knob E part at the top, and then turn it around, get the hot glue gun again, and then fold the ribbon back onto it. If you want to add a bow for some extra pizzazz and to cover up the bottom to make it prettier, you definitely can, but I'm too lazy today, so this is what's going on in my book. For the heart-shaped skeleton hands, this one's a little bit different since it's not hanging the same way, so I'm just going to be threading it through the middle like you see here and hot gluing the tips together. Pretty easy still though. And then lastly, I'm going to arrange my skeleton hands in the order that I want them to be on my garland. So now I'm just going to be taking that red ribbon and threading it through all of my little skeleton hand loop things, and your garland is all ready to hang up. So here's how mine turned out. I think it looks pretty cute and adds some Valentine's festiveness while still maintaining that spooky aspect to it. So hopefully you guys like this garland as well.
I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how to make some fun Valentine's Day crafts for us more spooky, gothically inclined folks. Normally, Valentine's Day is very cutesy with hearts and just all these cutesy little things, and I'm not personally into that so much, but hopefully this gave you guys some ideas on how to bring some gothy spoopiness into Valentine's Day. If you guys do end up making either the treat or gift portion of this video, please send me a picture. I'd love to see what you guys created for your special Valentine, whether that be your friend, your boyfriend, girlfriend, whoever it may be. I hope you all are having an awesome yet spooky week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!